In this video, I'm going to show you how to restart a Qualtrics survey. Now, if you are the one who actually received a link to fill up a Qualtrics survey, then the best way to restart is simply to just open that link again, and it should go from scratch, okay? If it doesn't go from scratch, you could try opening up a incognito tab inside your browser and then pasting the link in there, and you should be able to go from scratch and restart the Qualtrics survey from there, okay? But if you are the one who's actually working on the survey, creating it, you could go into preview mode, and the preview mode will allow you to restart the survey. So as you can see, if I start filling in, up top left it says restart survey, so you can just click on that and it's going to restart just like this. And what you can also do is you could go to data and analysis, and then in here for individual responses you can actually retake them and restart individual responses. So as you can see here, for example, this first one, if I click on the three dots, I can click on the retake response, and then I get the link. If I click on the link, it's gonna open up in a separate tab and I can just retake that specific response. So that's essentially how to restart a Qualtrics survey. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.